It's craft time! Today we're going to make shadow boxes. I have my 3 friends flying circus themed shadow box. So here it is, the final one. I used a tissue box to make this one, and you can see I cut it out a little bit. I used some yarn to attach some airplanes that I cut out of paper, and you can experiment with this using a flashlight. I'll show you what mine looks like. I also added a little toy to see what kind of shadow it will make. So here it is, and then if I shine my light on it, it makes all kinds of neat shadows that you can make them zoom around. So this is really fun to play with, and you'll really enjoy it. You need an old box. You can use a tissue box, or if you have a bigger box, you can use a bigger box and make a big shadow box. Or if you have a smaller box, maybe you have some cleaning supplies left over and you can use that. This one is good because it already has a hole cut out. You don't have to cut a hole with just the way that the box is made. I'm going to use a little piece of tape to just tape that open so that it doesn't flop open on us while we're trying to attach our airplanes to it. And then we're going to cut out some airplanes from some paper. So I have some paper that I painted, but you can just use paper that's already colored or white paper. It really doesn't matter. And I cut this shape out. I drew the shape on and I'm going to cut it out. So we're going to try that out right now. There it is, our little airplane. Now I'm going to use a piece of tape and a piece of yarn to attach it onto my shadow box. So just take a little piece of tape and put that on the end of the yarn, and then just tape that onto your airplane. If you want, you can test it out and say, do you want your airplane to be diving down? That's an exciting kind of thing for an airplane to be doing in an air show. Or maybe you want your airplane to be flying up a little bit. So you can make one that goes up and down. Then if you use your flashlight on it, you can test it out and see all the different neat shapes that it makes on the back of the box. Have a great time with this experiment and craft, and send us in your results of what you made. We'd love to see them. If you use the hashtag Air and Space at Home, you can share that with us, or just tag the National Air and Space Museum's Facebook page, Air and Space. And we'd love to see all of your crafts and see what you make with them. Thanks a lot for joining me. Bye-bye.